So here I want to show a video how I can climb this about, I don't know, 8-12, 10-12 pitch with the right shoes. So here we go. Now the shoes I'm wearing, believe it or not, I did not spend very much money on them. I just did a little bit of research. A little bit of research. They are. Let's see if I can go up. Yep. See? They are a lifesaver. Right up at 8-12, 10-12 pitch. If you're roofing this, we're just cleaning the gutters, but if you're roofing this house, they would definitely have fall protection, and just to clean the gutters, it's nice to have real sticky, stickum shoes. Grip the asphalt shingle really well. This is gutter cleaning, Daystar quality. You can find us on the websites. Go daystar.com. Here's the view. We're up here on a farmhouse. Daystar quality. You can find us on the websites godaystar.com and thedeckguy.com. These are the lightning rods, older style. Look at these big spikes.